I'm Sue Percy. I'm the CEO of the Chartered Institution of Highways and Transportation, and absolutely delighted to be chairing this session with an all-female panel, who I think are going to be quite challenging, hopefully, for all of us about some of the things they're going to say. And just as a way of introduction, the whole issue around equality, diversity and inclusion is really important. It's really important to the sector, and it's a really important issue for CIHT. It's one of our core goals around inclusion. And just to give you a small sort of sense of the scale of what we're trying to do, 14% of our members are women out of the rest, and clearly we want to make a difference on that. We've got a target by 2024 of moving that from 14 to 25%. And equally, the good thing is, in terms of our new members, 27% of our new members are female. So there's clearly something happening, something really, really positive happening. Just to give you a few facts and figures to sort of place this in a slightly wider context of why this is important. And these are sort of from 2017. So overall, in engineering, 11% of the workforce is female. And the UK has the lowest percentage of women who are in engineering when you compare us to other European countries. So we have a shortfall of engineering skills of about 25,000 at level 3 and 60,000 at level 4 and above. So it means we've got a lot of skill shortage, and yet we're only attracting certain elements of the population to come into this fantastic career. And engineering contributes to 26% of the UK GDP. And the figures show that if we enable women to reach their full potential, this would add £28 trillion to UK GDP. So this isn't just an issue of it's the right thing to do. This is a business imperative, an economic imperative as well. So I'm not going to go through why other reasons why it's a good thing to have a diverse and inclusive workforce. There are many reasons, and it's well articulated elsewhere. But what I would want to say is that to achieve really good diversity and inclusion in the workplace, in our sector, it requires attention, it requires investment, but it will pay dividends. So it's really important. And CIHT, we have a diversity and inclusion charter, and many of our corporate partners are signed up to that. And we're developing a 3-year work programme with the industry, for the industry, to see if we can do that sort of transformational move and step change from where we are now to where we would like to be over the next few years. But I'm absolutely delighted that we've got the panel here in front of you, who are going to be taking different aspects of the agenda and talking through with you for about 5 to 10 minutes, each going to take a slightly different perspective, from issues around why women, why girls don't think about STEM subjects, through to skills around gender pay disparity, and legislative change, and much more. So I hope you find this session really interesting, and there'll be plenty of chance for question and comment as well.